one of my favorite bags. I talk about it all the time. This style was my very first 31 style that I ever got, and this is the zip top organizing utility tote. It does have 7 exterior pockets, which is fabulous. This middle one here is where that venti Starbucks is gonna go. And I just love these side mesh pockets because you can put your keys and your phone real easy. Now, as an educator, give me a shout out, woo woo, if we have any other educators in the house, or nurses, or people that like to walk around with paperwork. But I have just dropped right inside here of the zip top tote, I have my hold and file. So I am gonna go ahead and pull that baby out just so that you can see it. The zip top tote is great on its own. I used it as a mom bag with 2 under 3 when I first got it. It is wide open, large, and in charge. Really, really spacious. So you can use it as a mom bag, a diaper bag.